Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. They grow my squash. We've already grown at 24 inches, 15 of the yellow squash. We're growing 6 zucchinis. We're growing 6 of the crookneck squash. We're growing 15 of the chieftain squash, and we're growing 4 of the spaghetti squash already. All of this squash being done in 10 feet. It's called Torpedopot. It's the world's first self-growing planter. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. You never feed, you never water. It does it automatically by itself. It's designed, the system is set up to run for you. All you do is come out and collect your fruit. Let's go get some more fruit. 7. That's beautiful. I want you to pay attention. You won't find any blemishes on our food. I mean, I hate to say this, but we do grow perfect food all of the time. I see one more back there. Let's see if I can reach back there and grab it. There you go. Woo wee. 7, 8 so far. I see one more. Guys, these are torpedo pots. They grow perfect food all of the time. All I did was put my seeds and my plants in that planter. And you can grow 8 of the crookneck. You can grow 15 of the yellow or 15 of the chieftain squash. All you do is put your seeds in it and let it grow your plants for you. And I want you to see how perfect this is. I don't know of any other growing system in the world that can grow perfect food like this all of the time. Torpedopot grows perfect food, guys. It grows your food for you. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Remember, all you do is take your seeds and put them in these torpedo pots, little round torpedo pots. They have a knob on them. And they grow your food for you. You don't have to go watering. You don't have to go, your weeding is reduced to almost nothing. Watering, weeding, your soil, you use indefinitely. Your soil can be used for the rest of its life expectancy in a torpedo pot to grow your food. And that's what we do. We use the microbes in the soil to grow your food. When you take your plants and you put them in that planter, they grow your food for you. And they do it so well. It's beautiful. So you're guaranteed to have health at your doorstep. Not tomorrow, not yesterday. You get to have it today. Beautiful, healthy food. And you can get it young and eat it very young and tender. It's called Torpedopot. My nutrition is here. I don't have to use pills for my nutrition. My nutrition is right here. I get to have it when I want to. All I do when I'm lacking something, just like an animal travels a long distance to get the nutrition for a particular deficiency, dude, same thing with Torpedopots. Whatever I want, whatever I'm deficient in, I grow it. And I eat it fresh every day. I don't have a problem with my food. My food grows all the time. Let's get some more food. Enough talking. Let's get some more food. You ready? There's 2. I see a lot more I can pick, but I don't want to pick that right now. Where did I put my cutter in? Okay. One more in there I want to get out. Just one more. This is my breakfast. I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna say it again, guys. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is take your seeds and your plants and put them in that planter right there. Look at all the food I have. I'm throwing 35 egg plants from just this one planter. And all I do is throw my seeds in these planters and my plants in these planters, and they grow my food for me. I don't have to worry about food again in my life. There is nothing you can say about this food. Nothing. It's better than organic. We call it biotic. Look at all the natural tendencies that comes out in that fruit, a squash. Isn't it amazing? See the behaviors? That's all unique to that. The colors. See the fleshy colors? That lets you know it's been in a healthy environment. The younger stage, mid stage, and it starts to develop. Isn't that amazing? And all of this is being done in a torpedo pot. A device that grows your food for you, so you'll never have to grow your food again in your life. And you know what's so good about it? Well, the food is so good. Once you put your seeds in that planter and you know that you're growing in a healthy environment, you can begin to taste the flavor of your food. Torpedo pot's no joke. It grows your food with no human intervention. You ever ate an apple before? Well, when you eat young, tender squash, they taste good. You don't want that old stuff. It's good. Let's go get some more. Whew, guys. Zucchini. Can you believe that? It's beautiful. Wow. I've got to get a tray to put all the food on. My zucchini. Again, remember, you don't see any imperfect food. There's no blemishes on this plant, on this fruit, at all. It's perfect. The reason why this fruit is perfect is because it's been grown in a torpedo pot. When we stick those seeds in that planter, it grows my food for me. All of my food for me. I never have a problem with food again in my life. Let's go pick another zucchini. You ready? Come on, let's go. Wow, look at that. My goodness, guys, this is terrible. Man, this is beautiful. Perfect, perfect, perfect food. No chemicals, no synthetic chemicals, man. I'm just my normal day coming out at harvest. Guys, these are torpedo pots that you see in the background. They grow my food for me. I don't have to grow my food anymore. They grow it for me. But the funny thing about it, not only grow it, but they're perfect food. Have you ever seen anything so perfect? It's beautiful food. Gosh, it's beautiful. Gorgeous food. That's been growing in a torpedo pot. It grows your food for you with no human intervention. You just simply put your seeds and your plants in that planter behind me. See that planter right there? Put your seeds in that planter and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food again. I would love to pick my spaghetti squash because it is so huge right now. I want to hold off. We'll do a picture on that one, a video on that one. Let's go find out if there's any more of this zucchini. Okay, I'm going to try to straighten that. Let's try to straighten that. Wow. Dude, do you want real food? Get a torpedo pot. Get a torpedo pot. Torpedo pot grows more food than anything you've ever seen before. I've already harvested 15, 16, 17, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 7, 8, 9. So far 9. So we're looking at about 50 squash, over 50 squash in just 10 feet, growing in a torpedo pot. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Let's reiterate. All you do is take your seeds and your plants and you put them in that planter right there. You see that little terracotta little thing? And it grows your food for you. And you'll have a lot of food, trust me. Torpedo pot is a self-growing planter. It grows your food for you. It's growing 30 eggplants in this one planter right here. We'll do a video on that one. But what's so important about this is that you get to have food right at your doorstep. You don't have to travel far to get it. It's already here. But you get to eat it when you want to and how you want it. What's so good about it is that the seeds that we get from these plants, from these plants or this fruit, the squash, well, we can grow hundreds of more squash from those seeds, thousands of more squash from those seeds. So once you get a torpedo pot and you start growing your own food, you're going to be shocked at what the possibility of things that you could do. Again, these are self-growing planters. All I did was take my seeds and my plants and put them in that planter right there, torpedo pot, and they grow my food. And they grow so much of it. And I love eating it in every way. I love my food. Not many people can say that. I love my food. It's delicious. And I want you to love your food too. Get a torpedo pot. Stop playing with your health. Take care of yourself. These little planters grow your food for you. It gives you all the nutrients you need to survive and to live. Stop creating these big gardens, spending all this cash. Get a small torpedo pot in 24 inches. We're growing 15, 16, 17 already. Straighten that yellow squash. 17 already. Dude, that's a lot. I'm eating them now. I just pull them off like an apple and I eat them. I love it. Now, I'm doing this to let you know that I'm going right from the garden to my table. Isn't what this is all about? From garden to table. Well, when you put your seeds in that torpedo pot, you have to travel along the highways. You don't have to end up in the supermarket. It goes right from garden to your table. And that's what's so good about it. I love it. Mm. Mm. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry guys, but this is my breakfast. I've been waiting for this. Downranch, torpedopot.com. We're hundreds of plants. At 5 feet, we already grew 41 cucumbers. We're looking to push 50 in 5 feet. Eggplants, looks like we do about, excuse me, as far as the eggplants, we do about 150 in 10 feet. Squash, I'm aiming for a minimum of 60 in 10 feet. 60 squash in 10 feet. Downranch, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.